Welcome to Learn English and Practice with Marie. Today, we will practice months at the beginner English level. We will do 3 short conversations. Please speak, listen, and practice as we go through. Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Listen first. What is your favorite month of the year? June is my favorite month. Why? I like warm weather and sunshine. That's great. I prefer October because I like cool weather. Okay. Practice. Me, then you. What is your favorite month of the year? Why? Great reasons. I like December too. Practice. You, then me. I like December. I like the cool weather and celebrating Christmas. Nice. You try. Pause and practice with what is your favorite month of the year? Listen first. In what month is your birthday? My birthday is in February. Wow, that is next month. Yes, I'm excited. When is your birthday? My birthday is in November. Great. Practice. Me, then you. In what month is your birthday? Great. My birthday is in July. Yes, they are. Maybe we can celebrate together. Practice. You, then me. My birthday is in June. Wow, our birthdays are close together. That sounds great. You try. Pause and practice with in what month is your birthday? Listen first. Can you name the months of the year? I'm sorry, I don't know. That's okay. Do you want me to tell you them? Sure. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great. Practice. Me, then you. Can you name the months of the year? Awesome. I don't remember how to say them in English. Yes, please. Practice. You, then me. I can. Do you want me to tell you them? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You try. Pause and practice with, can you name the months of the year? Challenge time. Here are the 3 questions we practiced with today. What is your favorite month of the year? In what month is your birthday? Can you name the months of the year? Pause and practice with those 3 questions. Great job today. There are other beginner videos on this channel, and there will be an intermediate video on this topic. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me about your favorite month in the comments below. I'll link videos and playlists right here. Thank you so much. Goodbye.